Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to get GPS points from Google Earth into Excel and create map in ArcGIS. For that, open Google Earth. Search location which you wanna create map. I search Tund Hill, Kathmandu. I will create map of whole Tund Hill area. Now check your coordinate system from tools. Check for UTM and meter. Now I am going to take GPS points, so go to place mark, choose file name. Here you can see 45R. It is because eastern part of Nepal lies in 45R and western part in 44R. Easting means X or longitude and northing means Y or latitude. Now you look at place mark and it shows easting or northing of that point. Copy them in order and description. You can just move the place mark and get GPS points. After you completed copying all points, hit OK. Then select all the points and paste them in Excel. Here you see easting and northing appearing in continuous order. Now you need to separate them in different columns. For that, type X for easting and type Y for northing. Then select XY and paste them in XY order. Give them a name and add filter. To get X, filter for X and paste points in another sheet. Again, filter for Y and paste it in the same way. Then save XY points of sheet 2 as Excel workbook. Now to create map, open ArcGIS. Tundikhe lies in Kathmandu, so I create its map first from saved file. Then add Excel file of Tundikhe. Go to add data, choose file and add. Display XY data. Edit coordinate system. Then choose for WGS 1984 UTM zone 44 north for Kathmandu. Then hit OK. Then export data. Choose file and hit OK. Now you can remove unnecessary files. To connect points by line, search points to line data management. Input file. Check output location. Close line, then OK. To fill its color, search feature to polygon. Input file, check output, then OK. Then remove unnecessary files. Rename files. You can also label name on maps from properties. To name study area, insert text and name it. You can also calculate area of study area. For that, open attribute table, go to add field, name it, choose double, right click, choose calculate geometry, choose area. Coordinate must be in projected coordinate system. Area cannot be calculated in geometric coordinate system. Choose unit and OK. Label feature to show area. Now go to layout view, insert north arrow, you can also insert legends, scale bar and title and others. Now I export this map. Name the file, choose resolution and save. Watch other videos for more details. So, this is the final map. Hope you guys understand. Subscribe the channel for more updates.